actually the day you see this, we're going to be filming Last Take Hand Off Private Jet Keeps It. So while you're listening to this, these guys will be suffering with their hand on a private jet.
JJ can't make it.
No, so I'm doing Tough Mudder.
Tough Mudder?
Yeah,
like an obstacle course.
It's
like
an
10K.
obstacle course. It's 10K, and it's I think like 13 or 14 obstacles.
Yeah.
And basically,
is it like a TV show?
No, it's
like
just
a challenge.
It's like
just
a challenge.
A physical
it's
challenge
like,
that people.
Iron Man.
Yeah,
it's like that.
Yo, you could do that while your hand's on the plane.
I mean,
drag it with you, just carry the plane.
Yeah, I would imagine. But
it's all good. The other guys will have their hands on a jet. But so as I invited Chris because he's going to the soccer football game.